Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. OMG guys, for today's episode, we have a true unboxing of Chanel number 4. Yes guys, so this one just came in. So I purchased this one from a Japanese consignment store. So this came directly from Japan to the Philippines. It was shipped to me a couple of days ago. And I'm very excited. So again, this is a true unboxing. I have not seen the content of the box. So please join me guys, and I would love to share my experience to you. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxing. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you could easily subscribe, and I'll be happy to welcome you. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin guys. So here is the box. So it came like this, so everything is here. Let me just cover the address and everything. So here it is, and it also came with the FedEx. Is it here? It came with the FedEx paperwork and everything here with the duties and taxes and all. So everything is here. So I have just removed the packaging tape so it would be easier, you know, to show and open the box. But again guys, this is a true unboxing. I have not seen what's inside totally. So again, you know, with the true unboxing, just like unboxing Chanel number 3, unfortunately that is a little bit of a failed unboxing. So I'm going to link it up here and put it on the description box if you haven't seen that. I wasn't, you know, happy with the bag when I received that one. Unfortunately, I have to return it, and good thing the reseller has a money back guarantee. So hopefully this one guys is not a failed unboxing. So let us begin. Right, so again guys, as you can see, are there any markings? So there, so that is just, you know, a regular unconspicuous box, so there are no markings, so that, you know, people would not know that this is a Chanel bag. So once you open, so here it is. There, so I'm happy that they place, you know, bubble wrap. So here it is guys. OMG. So let me just check. So again guys, this is the first time that I'm holding it. Wait. Oh, okay. So there are no more contents inside the box, but just the bubble wrap. So here is the box. Yay! Oh my god. So let me just you know, remove the bubble wrap really quickly. Oh wow! Oh my god! Oh, but first guys, I haven't done the thumbnail. Alright, so let us do the unboxing. So guys, this is a very different Chanel box that I have. I think this is, you know, the original vintage Chanel box, but as you could see, here is the front. If I'm going to put it closer, it actually has some texture. I'm just imagining, you know, I've seen a couple of vlogs unboxing with a vintage Chanel bag in. I'm imagining it's just smooth, but this one has a texture on it. And as you could see here, oh my god, there is a marking. Is that 95A? Does that mean? Can you see guys? So you would see that there is a 95A, then there is a barcode. I'm not sure guys, I'm not really 100% accurate on this one. So let us open. Oh guys, before we open, so like what I mentioned, just a short story. So this is the very first Chanel bag that I purchased directly from Japan, from a Japanese consignment store. So it's like, you know, I'm just trying this out. This is a small purchase. I don't want to make, you know, a huge purchase first because I wanted to make sure that everything is legit. Although I have watched already vlogs on, you know, people overseas purchasing bags from Japan, and that website is legit. So, alright, so let us begin. Are you ready? So, how do you unbox this one? So, let's try it here. Do you have any guesses, guys? Ooh, okay, so it opens like this. So again, this is the top. So let me just put the box here. Ooh, okay. So it came with a plastic wrap. Oh, okay, because it did not come. I think this is the dust bag. Alright, so are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Tadaan! OMG! Wow! Oh, wow! Ooh, wow! She's nice! Oh my god! So, can you see, guys, what it is? So, she is a vintage vanity bag made of patent leather. Oh my god! Wow! So, actually, when I purchased this online, I was imagining that the condition is much worse. But seeing it like this, oh, let me just inspect, guys. But seeing it like this, I have imagined a lot worse. But no, the condition of the patent is really, really good. So it doesn't have any sticky marks on the outside. So again, guys, let's take a look a little bit closer. So this is the front. This is the side. So as you can see with the side, it has the zipper pull with the CC logo. Here's another side. The back part. So with the back part, so I know that there are, of course, imperfections with this because this is a vintage bag. Then this is the leather here. So it's a little bit, there's, you know, some changes with that one. And then the top part, the handle, and the bottom part. Did you guess it right, guys, what this bag is? Oh my god, it's cute, honestly. OMG. This, to be honest, guys, this is the first time that I am holding a Chanel vanity bag. I have seen a lot of unboxing videos here in YouTube, and yes, I'm sure you have seen my luxury wish list for 2022. If not, I'm going to link it up here, put it on the description box. And this is not one of my wish list. But of course, yes, it's not on my top 5 wish list. It is still, you know, part of maybe top 6, top 7, because I really wanted to have a vintage vanity bag of Chanel. So let's try to open and inspect further. So maybe I'm going to do a close-up video of this one so we could inspect this a little bit better. Alright, guys, so let us inspect further. I want to show this to you guys in full focus. So let us open the bag. So again, guys, I love the very beautiful CC logo leather pull tab here. And guys, I also wanted to take note here, this is a vintage bag, but I love that the zipper is wobbly, not wobbly at all. It's super straight because I have seen many of this vintage vanity, and I've noticed that some of it, the zippers are already wobbly. And as you can see, if I'm going to put it sideways, there are no like imperfections with the shape. So let us open the bag. Oh wow, the zipper is very smooth. That is nice. So there are, let me just remove that one. Okay. So I love that they put that over there. So here, ooh, OMG. So guys, what I love about this one is it came with the with the authenticity cards. As you can see, this is the authenticity card, and it shows here that she is a series 3. Ooh, that's super nice. I love it. Ooh, wow, authenticity card looks legit. I'm not seeing any rainbow. I'm just double inspecting. And then of course, as you could see here, is she wide open? Wow, the interior is really nice. It's almost, you know, pristine. Of course, I'm not really sure like what year this is. So maybe this is around 90s, but I'm going to put here a photo like what year this is manufactured. Series 3. I'm guessing she's the same series as my Chanel number 1. So I'm guessing around 94 to 97, somewhere around that year. So as you can see, guys, there is the Chanel logo over there, and it is made in, what's this? Made in Italy. So over here, made in Italy. And what I like about this bag, guys, OMG, it comes with the, oh wow, it still has the, can you see? I'm not sure if you can see, but there is the hologram sticker inside. I'm going to try to maybe show a photo over here. OMG, wow, super nice. OMG, guys. So this is what I'm saying to you guys. Whenever I am in love with a Chanel bag, my reaction is OMG versus of saying, alright, okay. So there are imperfections like this at the bottom part here. Like the whitish thingies, I'm not sure what that is, and then there is this, but of course this is again a vintage bag, so we cannot expect that this would be in a perfect 10 over 10 condition. But to be honest, guys, I've expected a lot worse. I'm imagining this is 6 over 10, but honestly I could rate it maybe 7 or 8 over 10, and I'm super happy that I got this one as my first bag. So now let us compare it to Chanel number 1. Alright, so as you can see here, guys, I have Chanel number 1 here, and then of course this is now my new Chanel bag here, and they are both made of patent leather. So just for size comparison, as you would notice over here, of course, this is a jumbo, a semi-jumbo, and this is the size of the patent leather. I love it. I love them together, as you can see, guys. So of course, as like what I mentioned, you would not expect that it would be on a 10 over 10 condition. Like over here, there is some deformity of the shape of the vanity bag. But aside from that one, guys, I super love this new patent leather. As you can see here, here is a close-up of the CC logo. And I've already taken the photo of the inside of the, I was able to check the hologram sticker of this one and compared it to the authenticity card over here. So they do match. So of course, I would have this one authenticated via Entropy for, of course, more security. So what do you think, guys, of the two patent Chanel bags over here? OMG, they look good together, right? Yay! There, how did you like our unboxing episode for today? So honestly, guys, I'm really happy with this purchase compared to my last unboxing. So I would say that this is not a failed unboxing because I have imagined far more worse condition of this bag, but I was surprised that she is very cute. The condition of the patent leather overall is good. There are no sticky parts outside. The lining is good. There's authenticity card. And of course, the hologram sticker matches the authenticity card. And upon inspecting on this one, yes, I am not an expert, but of course, just checking on the stitching, the make of this one, the stamping, I would say that this is a legit Chanel bag. And as we know, everything that is coming from Japan, they're 100% legit. But again, I would have this authenticated via Shopee for more peace of mind. Yay! So what do you think of my new Chanel bag? Alright, so before we end our episode for today, let's do comment of the day, and I would love to say thank you to Winona. Winona, thank you so much for leaving this wonderful comment. Thank you so much and welcome to our family. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe, and I'll be happy to welcome you. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. I will see you soon. Please stay safe always. Bye!